Hi, I'm Yanni with WTI, and my family and we love playing games as a family. And this is one of our favorite ones. This is called Jenga, and it's such a fun game for any age group. I like that you can play with unlimited players. It doesn't matter how many people you play with, and it is absolutely a lot of fun. Very easy to play. All you're doing is placing the tiles in three all the way to the top, and then you're slowly removing tiles from the center, making sure that the tower doesn't collapse. It does get quite nerve-wracking towards the end when the tower is about to fall. So a great game. I really enjoyed it. This one, it's a great quality. The tiles are made out of wood, and they're solid pieces. They are very, very nice pieces of wood. This is a great size game that you can take with you along anywhere. This is a great game for parties as well. If you like having game nights as well, it's a classic. It never gets old. So we definitely recommend this game. You're gonna have so much fun playing it, and it's so exciting. And that is my point of view.